Hello viewers, welcome to this session. I am going to talk about Ecclesiastes as a wisdom literature or Ecclesiastes a wisdom literature. Ecclesiastes is one of the wisdom uh, literatures. There are 5 wisdom literatures of the Old Testament. They include the book of Job, Ecclesiastes, Proverbs, Psalms, and Song of Songs. They are called wisdom literature. A wisdom literature is a literature that teaches us about divinity, about God. In other words, a wisdom literature tells how a man can reach God and how God can show mercy and bestow his love and blessings to man. Such kind of literature is called a wisdom literature. A wisdom literature is a genre that was written in ancient East. The book of Ecclesiastes deals with the preachings of the teacher. The teacher is the important character of the book of Ecclesiastes, just as Job is the main character and hero of the book of Job. In the same way, Ecclesiastes, or in Hebrew, a teacher or preacher known as Kohelet teaches people about life. The teacher says that knowledge and intelligence increases sorrow. The more is the knowledge and intellect, the more is the sorrow and suffering. Therefore, Ecclesiastes tells that people should not care much of sorrows and sufferings. People should enjoy life. People should not be burdened with sorrow and suffering. Rather, they should enjoy life when they are alive or when they can live. Another important thing that we come across in Ecclesiastes is that the teacher tells that the wise and the fools meet the same fate in the end. The wise also die, and the fools also die. So death levels them all. So the preacher tells that death is better than life, sorrow is better than happiness. The preacher says that people enjoy life, they eat, drink, and be merry. It is good, but they should not have greed. The excess greed of people leads to their destruction and elimination. So the preacher prohibits people to have greed. People grab money, wealth, and everything. But they leave all these sorts of wealth in this world and they go nakedly. In the book of Job, Job tells that naked have I come and naked shall I go. In the same way, in Ecclesiastes, the preacher says that men should have virtues, they should have ethics and morality, they should not go immoral, they should not commit wrong and sins in life. The preacher says that people take birth, they live for some time upon this earth, and at last they return to God. They have to return God. They have to return to God, to return to the abode of God. If they have to return to the abode of God, the dwelling place of God, why should they commit wrong? Why should they commit crimes? Why should they commit sins? This is the question that the preacher deals with in the book of Ecclesiastes. When we compare the book of Ecclesiastes with the book of Job, we find that both the books are full of wisdom, virtues, qualities, values, ethics. Both the books teach us about divinity, God, Almighty. They teach us how people can reach God. In the book of Job, Job is tested by God on the provocation of Satan. Job has to lose all things he possesses. He is inflicted with serious disease, leprosy, and he cries in his bed. His wife advises him to curse God. Even then, Job does not curse God. He says that God is right God is virtuous. God cannot do wrong. So, wisdom literature teaches people about God and divinity. Another important feature of a wisdom literature is that it has universal appeal. It appeals to the entire humankind, mankind. Ecclesiastes is a good wisdom literature. That's all.